Whether you're driving in the city or on the highway, vehicles make noise. But where does this noise actually come from? First, we need to distinguish between the noise made by the engine and the rolling noise from the tires. Rolling noise is caused by vibrations that occur when tires come into contact with the road. These vibrations are transmitted to the tire and rim, causing the air around the tire to vibrate, or they travel through the chassis into the cabin of the vehicle. Rolling noise is particularly noticeable at medium to higher speeds. Inside the car, once speeds exceed 80 to 100 kilometers per hour, rolling noise, and later engine noise, is increasingly masked out by wind noise. The volume of rolling noise is influenced by tire characteristics, such as width, material, air pressure, and tread design. But speed, the road surface, and individual driving style have an even higher impact on the rolling noise volume. Continental develops tires that are particularly quiet. The EcoContact 6Q, for example, reduces rolling resistance and noise. ContiSilent technology reduces cavity interior noise by up to 9 decibels thanks to a polyurethane foam applied to the inner lining of the tire. For both long-distance transport and inner-city buses, Continental also offers tires with exceptionally low external rolling noise, which have a Class A rating on the EU tire label. New rubber compounds and innovative tread designs make the difference here. Is your car making strange noises? Do you hear humming, knocking, or scraping sounds while driving? Then it's worth checking the tire pressure or wheel alignment. Faulty wheel bearings or worn suspension may also be the cause. Regular checks help. Check tire pressure, inspect the tires, and have the wheel alignment checked and adjusted. All this helps keep the vehicle quiet and safe. Quieter driving for a more comfortable in-car experience and lower noise emissions. With tires from Continental.